How to import data from Excel using SSMS Import-Export Wizard. There are several ways to insert data from an Excel file into a SQL Server database using SSMS. Today we are going to load data using the Import and Export Wizard. This is the easiest and most common method. I have encountered various errors and issues while loading the data. This is a complete guide how you can load data using Import and Export Wizard.
I have two documents for sales. One is an Excel file, and the other is a CSV flat file. Let us load data from the Excel file. We have a total of 1,000 rows and 1 row for heading. Previously, we have inserted 2 rows. Let us drop and recreate the table. Right-click Table Name and select Script Table 2. In the options, select Drop and Create 2. This will drop and recreate the table using this query. Execute the query and run the select statement. There are no data available in the table. For loading the data, right-click the database. Tasks. Import data. Click on Next. Select Microsoft Excel as the data source. Since my Excel is 2016 edition, I am selecting Excel version as 2016. Click on Browse to select the Excel file. Open and click on Next. An error occurred. Let us copy the error message into a browser. The error is saying that the old DB driver is not installed. Open download link for Microsoft Access Database Engine. I am downloading 2016 edition 64-bit as per system specifications. Install Database Access Engine. Now let us try to load the data again. We are still facing the same issue. After some research, I came to know that SSMS needs AccessDatabaseEngine 32-bit edition to load data. Download 32-bit edition inside a folder called Files in C Drive. But since my system is 64-bit, I will not be directly installing it. We will have to install AccessDatabaseEngine in quiet mode. Copy the code to run installation package in quiet mode. For that, let us open command prompt and run as administrator. Change the directory to C drive using cd /c:/. Paste the code and enter. Now let us check whether Excel is loading or not. Yes, the Excel file is loading now. Next, select Destination. Click on SQL Server Native Client from drop-down. Automatically Server and DB is shown in the window. Go ahead with the first option. Click on Next. We can select which sheet to use as source from here, also which destination to provide. Select the table we have previously created. Click on Edit Mappings. Here we need to align source and destination columns. Destination for sales and date is not provided. Let us provide that. Click on OK. Click on Next till you see close. You can see 1,000 rows inserted successfully. Let us check our table. All the data from Excel loaded successfully to the table.
We have inserted data from Excel to SQL successfully. There are other methods also available to insert data into our tables. We can use SQL Server data tools to extract, transform, and load data to tables. SQL Server Agent to automate these tasks and more. We will get familiarized with them going ahead. Thank you for watching.